Hello and welcome to my video. I'm Wong, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a night lamp circuit. So to do this, we are going to use TinkerCAD. Just for a brief introduction, TinkerCAD is an educational web app to do 3D modeling and circuit design. So before we start our project, we have to figure out and know that what is actually a night lamp. So a night lamp actually is a device that will glow when the light intensity is low and vice versa by using sensors. So to create our circuit, we have to click on this button showing create new circuit. And the button here will lead us to an empty workplace. So this is basically the workplace that we will use for our circuit design. So we are going to insert the components that we need in our circuit design. So first of all, we need to insert a breadboard and Arduino microcontroller. As you can see here, it pops up in the workplace. So the breadboard allows us for easy and quick creation of temporary electronic circuits to carry out experiments with circuit design. And whereas the Arduino Uno is an open source microcontroller board developed by Arduino based on the microchip ATmega328P. So we are gonna delete the wire here because we will arrange the wire later. Alright, after inserting these two components, we are going to insert another component called LED. So as you know, LED will act as a lamp in our circuit. After that, we need to insert photoresistor. Just put it somewhere around here. So the photoresistor is a passive component that decreases the resistance with respect to receiving luminosity on the surface of the component. In other words, the higher the intensity of light will cause a lower resistance. So I'm going to explain the function later. So after inserting photoresistor, we also need to insert two resistors here. So the first resistor, we are going to put 220 ohm. We need to adjust the unit here. And the second one will be 4.7 kilo ohm. Alright, so we're going to arrange the resistors by dragging into the breadboard. And we can align it here by clicking this, rotate. And another resistors will be here. Rotate and put it here. Let me just arrange a bit. Alright, so we have done with the LED, photoresistors, two resistors, breadboard, and the microcontroller. So next we are going to connect all the device by using wire. So the power supply here is 5 volt from the analog pin. So we just click on here and we drag, click, and then we connect it here. We can always double click the wire to adjust the arrangement. So we're going to connect here and also here, connect to the resistor, and there will be a new wire. So we are going to connect a new wire here by using yellow color, and it goes back to the Arduino microcontroller and we connect it here. Alright, so this is the first part, and the second part will be from the photoresistor here, here, and here. So the black color wire here, it indicates the wire that connects to the ground. So we are going to connect it to the digital pin ground. Alright, so we've done that. So next we are going to insert new wire from digital pin 9 and goes here. Yeah, we are going to insert a new device here, which is called micrometer. So the micrometer here is going to measure the value of the voltage in the circuit. So we're going to connect the multimeter like this, and of course the black color wire, it goes back into here. So this is the wire that indicates the positive, which is to connect to the power supply, and the black color here, negative, will goes back to the ground. Alright, so we have done setting up the circuit. We are going to proceed to the next session, which is the programming part. So to program our circuit, we are going to first click the button here, code, and we're going to create a variable. So in this case, we are going to create a variable called LDR sensor. Okay, so it will show LDR sensor variable and also some functions here. We are going to use set LDR sensor 2. So we need to insert an input also. So as you can see, our input is from analog in A0. So we need to read analog pin A0 here. Alright, so we have done with the first line. And the second part is to create output. Okay, we need to set pin. This one, we drag and it will paste here. Alright, so our digital pin here is 9. So we set pin 9. Alright, so 2, here we need to use a math block. So we are going to use map, this one, and drag and paste it here. So map variable LDR sensor. Oh, let me drag something here, somewhere around here, to let you see clearer. So we need to use the range 0. We need to use 255. Okay, so this is basically a simple programming code to be used in our circuit. So let's click on start simulation to see what will happen. Alright, as you can see, the multimeter here showing 1.94 volt and our LED is glowing. So we can click on the photoresistor here to adjust the light intensity. So remember that the night lamp that we are designing, the purpose is to glow when it is dark. So as you can see, we can adjust the light intensity by clicking the photoresistor here, and you can drag to control the light intensity. So you get, as you can see, when the light intensity is high, the voltage reading will be low and the LED will turns off. So we can do it again to see it light up again and it becomes dark when the light intensity is high. So after we done the simulation, we can click on stop simulation. So that's all for the light lamp circuit with the simple programming and simple circuit design. So I hope you will like it, and thanks for watching.